So we're still on user-defined functions. This is the third tutorial in this kind of section here. I have mentioned before that it's quite a complex thing to understand and obviously use and create, etc. What we'll do is we'll do a nice example. We've seen the idea of finding the maximum integer. Let's see how you write one about finding the minimum integer. We're lucky we have the previous examples. We can actually use that example and rewrite it slightly. So define the fact you have a function, find min integer. That's a good name, it's like the previous one. Again, I'm going to use these numbers. I can use the same variable names, they just get created as I create them inside the function, and they get deleted when the function finishes. Again, we've got the if statements, if they're the same. Now what I could do here is copy and paste the whole thing, but I won't do that. I'll take my time. So if they're both the same, I want to return the value of -1 to prove that they were the same. Now it's I min now, not I max, equals -1. So I'm saying if they're the same, return -1. We use elif to continue us on. If I num1 sorry, is let's switch the signs around for a laugh. I num2. So I'm basically saying if num1 is smaller than num2, therefore that must be the lowest one. That means I min is equal to I num1. And of course, if it's not that one, it must be the opposite. Therefore, I min is equal to I num2. And again, I can return this. Return I min. So I've basically created the previous idea, flipped the signs around a little bit to look for the idea of a lower value. Let's test this out. I'm going to create, say, another variable here, I min number, and this will hold the answer of find min integer. Spell it correctly. What am I passing in? I number1 and I number2. And of course I'd like to see the answer here, so what I'll do is I'll print the answer, print just at the end, I min number. And that should be it if you spell print the right way. So I'll save that here. So the last answer will be the minimum value. Let's look for any error mistakes. There you go, the mistakes. I've missed these colons out. I'm very good at missing the colons out. There you go. And it tells me 22 is the last thing that pops up. So that's finding the minimum value now out of the two of them. Right. So that's the way you sort of write a function, but that helps that I know what I'm doing. I know how max works, so I can figure out how to do min as well. Believe it or not, there's actually a min and max function that's built into Python. Obviously these sort of things people created over years and have been added into languages, but I thought it'd be nice to see how you might go about creating your own user-defined function like that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll put a little comment in there, simply saying function to identify the minimum integer between two integers. There you go, and save that as well.